Enhanced coating adhesion with ZHYAO pretreatment system. ZHYAO powder coating pretreatment equipment is used to remove grease, oxide scale, and other impurities from the surface of workpieces, providing a clean substrate surface for powder coating. Our pretreatment system can be configured with multiple treatment stations, including degreasing, cleaning, surface conditioning, phosphating, etc., to meet the surface treatment requirements of various materials. The equipment adopts an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly closed-loop system, reducing water and chemical consumption, and is equipped with a wastewater treatment unit. It is suitable for a wide range of industries, including automotive manufacturing, home appliances, and metal processing. Surface treatment is carried out through intelligent control and an automatic spraying system, helping to enhance coating adhesion and corrosion resistance. For more information,
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.